How to withdraw money from Z League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can withdraw money from Z League. So let's get started. First, open up your app. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now this app has a lot of ads, so just hang in there. Now after you're here, what you'll then need to do is tap on the top right corner. So after you tap on it, you'll get redirected to your profile page. Now here you will see your total balance and your playable balance and so on. So these are the transactions that you can withdraw. So just tap on transactions on the bottom. After you tap on it, you'll need to add your email. So add your email here. And after you type in your email and add it, you can then choose how much money you want to cash out. Just type the money in, and after you type that money, you can withdraw that amount. And that is basically it, guys. It's really simple. Now the more games you play and more you win, the more amount you can transact and withdraw. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.